Today I'm going to show you some two-handed flip kick combos using a reverse bound transition for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be getting into the last set of combos for two-handed flip kicks, which use a reverse bound transition to do. And before you continue this video, I recommend that you have your 11th set of combos for two-handed flip kicks. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. Guys, the Sailor Moon tutorial will come out when it's time, okay? That wasn't even supposed to be on my curriculum, but you guys want it so bad that I'm gonna put it on there. Now, a reverse bound transition is anytime you land a trick with 2 feet at the same time, make an adjustment, and then take off into another trick with leg 1 followed by leg 2. So the first combo is going to be a pop round off to a spin transformer round. So you're going to do your pop round off and land both feet at the same time. From there, you're going to make an adjustment to a frontside stance, and then lift up leg 1 followed by leg 2 into your transformer round. Third combo is going to be a pop round off to a spin cartwheel hook. So you're going to do your pop round off and land with both feet at the same time in a backside stance. From there, you're going to make an adjustment to the frontside stance and take off with leg 1 into your cartwheel hook. Third combo is going to be a slant spring to a spin transformer round. So you're going to do your slant spring and land in a backside stance with both legs at the same time. From there, you're going to make an adjustment to the frontside stance, lift up leg 1 followed by leg 2 into your transformer round. And the last combo is going to be a slant spring to a spin cartwheel hook. So you're going to do your slant spring and land in a backside stance with both legs at the same time. From there, you're going to make an adjustment to a frontside stance and bring up leg 1 followed by leg 2 into your cartwheel hook. Now, as always, we're only focusing on transition, so you can start the combo with a spin or not and end the combo with a follow through or not. So no tips for this one either, just because it's actually pretty easy, which is kind of weird because it's like the last combo for two-handed flip kicks, but whatever, I have my reasons. And if you need a little bit of help with these combos, feel free to click on that tutorial right there and it should help you out with these. If not though, you can feel free to leave a comment down below and I can get back to you and try to help you out. Let's check those out one more time. Tricking tips, B-twist, the perk trickster. There's actually not much to fix here. So what you're doing, your takeoff foot is super under you, and that's causing you to kind of like jump out and have a long B-twist. What you need to do, try to block and get that jumping foot in front of you a little bit more so you can actually go up in your B-twist instead of out. So it'll make it shorter but higher. So just try those 2 tips, let me know how it goes. It's looking good though. If you would like to be featured in the next tricking tips section of these videos, all you gotta do is leave a comment down below and send me a video on Instagram or Facebook or however. Yeah. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. It really means a lot to me to have a group of you guys that are down to support Upraiz Tricking financially. Like, thank you so much. Next, we'll be getting into grounded switch flips, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated. Upraiz. Like my new setup, guys? Do you? I don't know if it's gonna be a new setup or not.